Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how you can cancel your Suno AI subscription in 2025. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, if you have purchased your Suno AI subscription with the help of its application, you will have to cancel it with the help of the provider that you have selected at the time of the creation of your account. For example, you can cancel it with the help of the Google Play Store or App Store if you have selected that. For that, you need to simply open your Google Play Store or App Store, and here in the top right hand corner of the screen, tap on your profile icon. After that, select the option of payments and subscriptions. In your payments and subscriptions, tap on the option of subscriptions. Over here on this page, you will see the list of all of the subscriptions that you have in your account. So you need to select that particular subscription which you want to cancel, that is Suno AI in our case. After selecting it, you will see the cancel subscription option in the bottom. So you need to tap on the option of cancel subscription, then tap on the cancel option. It may also ask you to select the reason of your cancellation. So you need to simply select that and click it to follow further on-screen instructions in order to successfully cancel your subscription. It should also state when your subscription will officially ended. That will be usually at the end of the current billing cycle. So you will still have access until then. Okay, so if you want to keep using Suno AI on the free plan, you can also select the downgrade to the free plan, or you just have to simply sign out. So your account will remain accessible without even the ongoing charges. So that's it. Your subscription is now cancelled securely in 2025. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also, you can leave a comment if you need any help with the billing on other platforms. Thanks for watching.